welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geetha's Kitchen. Hope everyone is doing good. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you for all the support. Are you running out of ideas for family dinners? This was one of those days I found myself stuck in front of the refrigerator, staring at the vegetables and leftovers inside, thinking of what to cook for dinner. I had lots of mint coriander chutney from dinner the night before, so I thought, let's make a filling for roti. So here is how I made the filling. Cut all the vegetables, like whatever vegetables you have. I had potatoes, carrots, zucchini, and 1 can of garbanzo beans, and heat a little bit of oil in a pan. Then add green chilies, chopped onion, add turmeric powder, a little bit of jeera seeds or cumin seeds. Then saute that. Then start adding all the chopped vegetables. So I made it like small cubes. First I added the potatoes, then the carrots, then added the garbanzo beans. It was canned garbanzo beans, so it was cooked. So I added the garbanzo beans. If you have any other vegetables, you can add, and add salt, add garam masala, then mix well, then add cauliflower, chopped cauliflower, then zucchini. Now we added all the vegetables, masala, turmeric powder, salt and everything. Now you can cover it and cook for 8 minutes. Do not add any water. Check in between. Do not overcook the vegetable. So after 8 minutes, you can remove the lid and let all the water evaporate from the vessel. So you will get a dried form of the curry, dried form of the filling. So now our filling is ready. It's all dried. It takes only about 10 to 12 minutes to make the filling. Now if you have roti, ready-made roti, you can use that. I tried both, but I didn't have any ready-made roti that day, so I made roti. So spread the mint coriander chutney on the roti, fill in veggie mix, roll tightly and serve hot. My girls like crispiness, so I used air fryer and air fried the rolls for 5 minutes at 390 Fahrenheit. Remember to preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes at 390 degrees. You don't have to air fry the rolls. You can just eat it like that without air frying. Just spread the chutney, fill in the rolls and eat it like that. If you are air frying, please remember to spread some oil on the roti and air fry for 5 minutes at 390 Fahrenheit. If you don't have air fryer, you can bake it or use pan to shallow fry the rolls to get that crispiness. Remember to pin the roti with a toothpick if you are shallow frying. I tried that also. This will help the stuffing to stay inside the roll. My family loved the rolls. Later I learned that this is a very popular North Indian street food called Kathi rolls. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and please do share any pictures of your rolls with me via email. I would love to see those. Leave your comments and share this recipe with your loved ones.